You gotta lock the door.
Oh, yeah.
Where do you want to go in the arrangement room?
Oh, yeah, sitting on the table. So
Come
nice.
on.
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Exciting.
I was gonna Facebook Live it, but I think I'll just do a video real quick. Just a quick unboxing, because we gotta go. You wanna see them?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So, Undandy, unboxing, 2 pairs. Undandy, they're a British company, they're in England. Their shoemakers are in Portugal, and then they're partially bespoke shoes. So, first pair, I'm gonna open up, let me see these. Let's see. Okay, let's just do it. You ready?
Let's go.
Okay, I'm nervous. I'll do this box first. I hope they're awesome. They should be. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, yes, nice.
Ooh, that is very fancy.
Oh, very fancy. Okay, let's take a peek.
Okay.
So, very nice box, huh?
It's very nice.
It's a shoe box.
Good
Undandy.
presentation.
Conspicuously inconspicuous. Conspicuous.
That's suspiciousness.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
gorgeous.
Ooh, that color though.
Oh, right. So they got a little thank you for your trust.
Ooh, letters.
Here.
Very nice.
A little
Yes.
letter from Undandy thanking me.
Oh, there we go.
Classy.
Like
Very
it?
nice. They were handcrafted with love by a gentleman named Pedro.
Nice.
It says if I'm not happy with them, I can send them back within 28 days. So, and let's see. Oh, nice. Unexpected. Came with a little
Got a polishing cloth?
dust cover.
Oh, there we go.
Little shoe bag, and then a pair of socks.
What?
Came with some socks.
Those are nice socks.
They had a special, so I ordered those.
All
Came
right.
free. Extra set of laces.
Leather. Nice.
Yes. And let's see here. You ready?
Yes.
Excited.
Let's do it.
So, oh, what's this? Oh, I can't remember if I ordered a belt yet, but I did not. So, nicely wrapped. Oh, they feel good already. This is the brown ones. The brown ones.
Ooh.
Oh, with a slight patina.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, those are nice. Okay, let's see. Oh,
Yeah.
I opted out. So since we were walking in grass a lot, it's wet. I got the rubber bottom. It's sewed into the leather. And then look, it's got my name on there. The date I ordered it.
Very nice.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Focus. That looks good.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yep, that's all right.
Yeah.
Replaceable heel, everything.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So
Quite serviceable.
there's one. And let's see. Nice color. I like the patina. Can you see the little bit of patina on there?
Yep.
It's all
Just
hand
looks
done.
like you've worn them just enough, just
Yeah.
to make them look comfortable, not like they just brand new out of the box.
And I liked it because even though it is a British company, the shoe has Italian styling. You know, it's real narrow and sleek. So it's got a nice profile to it.
Very nice.
Yeah. A little bit of broguing. And then this one has the same. It's got my name on there. Still smell the glue. Oh gosh, yes. Nice. Okay, those are nice. You want to see the black ones?
Yes. Let's
Okay.
see the black ones.
Double unboxing. I like the shoe bag. Classy. So, what you think? Pretty fresh. Okay, and
Nice details.
oh yeah. You
I
know,
like it.
I wanted Oxfords, and I wanted a little bit of stitching on there, but I didn't want to go crazy at first. 'Cause first time ordering, you know, keep it real conservative. So, then let's see what we got here. Same box. Oh, another shoe bag, nice. So, and this be the black ones. Oh yes. This one I didn't do anything on the bottom. I just left them. Oh, so I got the gray laces here. I got the black laces if I want to change these out. I thought that would be a nice touch.
I like the gray. It stands out just enough to give it a little detail.
Just a little bit, huh?
Pops on your feet.
Then see on this one I just left it. I didn't do anything on the bottom
Yeah.
because these I'll wear a lot, you know.
Yeah, it's a
These probably won't wear too much. So, but yeah.
Yeah, it seems like with mine, I'm every third or fourth day I'll wear brown just to kind of mix it up. But I wear black for most
Yeah.
of what we do every day.
You know, sometimes when you put on a nice blue suit and you got like a little color in your shirt, you just
Yeah.
want to throw on some brown. Some of your match all your leathers up. Those are good looking. I'm really happy with those.
They do look. They're trimmed up really well. They've got good shape.
Yeah.
I like them.
I can't wait to try them on. So I'll have to do another video on how they feel, the comfort wise. But man, I love that. Almost looks like an Irish dancing shoe, huh?
Yeah.
Kind of. It's got like a kick up to it. But and then when I heel strike and then supinate kind of on the outside, so my heels wear down out here. So I like that, how they put that at an angle.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just,
Should wear it a little bit better.
I think so. Very thoughtful. Very thoughtful. I am happy with those. So, and check it out. Here's the thing. Watch. I paid, this is the coolest part. These, I forget who made them. What's it say on the side?
Looks like Clark's.
Clark's. Yeah, so if you bought these at Macy's, these Clark's are like $110, right? The bottom, these are only a month and a half old.
And they're already showing like a
Yeah.
lot of wear.
Watch the stitching right here on the side. It's already coming out. See it?
Yep.
Yeah. 110. I buy them at the rack. So these are our cemetery shoes when we're walking around. So $86 more, partially bespoke leather sole. It can be resoled, and it's just 10 times better leather. I don't even know if this is all leather. And so why not spend the extra $85 and just get something nicer? That these last me a month and a half, 2 months. These will probably last me what, 2 years, because I'm hard on shoes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, but 2 years? Come on. I don't know what the cost per wear on that is, but I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go home and order more. I can't wait to put them on. All right. Okay. Bye.